is going to be the last phase of the program. Once you are escorted to where the ministry are here to help you, please do us. Please join me in welcoming the Honorable Fayyaz Siddiq Khoya.
The senior government officials, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Burmanaka and Bulasia, and very good morning to all of you. It's always a pleasure to be here in Hidden Paradise, not only because of the beautiful scenery, but also the wonderful people that I get to meet in Savu every time I actually come here. Ladies and gentlemen, over the past years, Fiji has done extremely well. We have recorded 9 consecutive years of economic growth and attracted investment from all over the world, and who have recognized what we've accomplished and who believe in our potential. This week, ladies and gentlemen, I will have the opportunity to spread the prosperity to the north by bringing our micro and small business grants to the deserving entrepreneurs. Ladies and gentlemen, the MSVG program has done so well because it relies on the ability of the Fijian people to work hard and be innovative and strive for greatness. Our ability as people to create industry and grow our economy is our most important natural resource. And this grant program taps that particular potential. Please remember that this is not a handout. It is a leg up. It is a grant that can only be used to purchase materials that you have identified as important to start or to expand your businesses. And collectively, as your businesses grow, you will build wealth for yourselves and you will contribute to our economy. I'd also like to take this opportunity to thank all of you for having the courage to take the risk to begin a business or further your business with a vision to not only secure a livelihood, but also to expand your commercial ventures and join a well-established and recognized business sector that is producing Fijian-made and Fijian-grown products. Ladies and gentlemen, the assessment that we did last year, we actually dispersed grants to 1,766 recipients here in South Savu. And today, we have a total of 2,051 people who will be receiving this assistance. This brings the total number of entrepreneurs assisted in South Savu thus far to 4,283 and supporting a livelihood of 21,415 people. In October last year, the ministry assessed and monitored 768 micro and small businesses which were funded through this program between 2015 and 2017. And the assessment confirmed that 479 businesses were operating successfully, which means that 62.4% of businesses assessed in Savu Savu are operating successfully, out of which 311 businesses were agriculture-based, whilst 121 were in the retailing sector. These MSVG recipients contributed $5.7 million, ladies and gentlemen, towards the Fijian economy and created approximately 200 jobs here in Savu Savu. The assessment also revealed that 24 micro businesses have actually graduated to small businesses, with 3 micro businesses that graduated to medium enterprises. In addition, 24 businesses have actually accessed additional financial assistance from financial institutions. Ladies and gentlemen, this is an indication of the impact of the MSVG and the impact that it has on the livelihoods of the people. And this is exactly what the Fijian government wanted to achieve: strong and resilient grassroots communities. The performance of your fellow Sao Savo residents has actually set the challenge for the recipients here today to make use of this opportunity to contribute to the growth of the economy and join the successful small entrepreneurs who form the backbone of our country. By the end of this week, about 7,303 Fijians in the Northern Division would have benefited from the MSBG. Ladies and gentlemen, there is a question. The question is, why is the government doing this? Your government is doing this because it has recognized the critical need on the part of ordinary Fijians to be able to get a cash injection either to start a business or to take their existing businesses to another level. Your government has recognized your drive and your passion and will to provide you with the necessary support in terms of training and also mentoring. We want you to grow, and we want you to prosper and not remain small. And we want your products, we want your produce, and we want your services to reach the markets beyond Fiji and to the region and even to the world. We are glad and extremely happy that we've been able to contribute to your growth, and we are confident that you will be able to carry your businesses forward and make it successful ventures. Ladies and gentlemen, your government has laid a foundation for you by providing a grant, and we assure you that the Fijian government will not be reluctant to prove its commitment to its fellow citizens. We are sharing our economic prosperity with the people who need it most. That's you. By providing the support that is needed to boost your businesses, and will allow you to progress further and secure livelihoods to help you and your families. The development, ladies and gentlemen, and the strengthening of the micro small business grassroots community will lead to the growth of the nation from within. Therefore, the growth of your businesses is very important for the Fijian government as it helps grow the overall economy. As you grow your businesses, you actually employ workers, and thus increasing the ability for individuals to spend, and hence more money is in circulation in the economy. We are putting our confidence and our trust in you to use this assistance appropriately, because all of you have been thoroughly and carefully assessed by the Ministry of Industry, Trade and Tourism and the Fiji Development Bank to ensure that only those who genuinely need this assistance are actually supported. Ladies and gentlemen, during this year's invitation for proposals, we received 47,045 applications from all over Fiji. And in overall terms, we have assisted 30,055 micro and small entrepreneurs to date. And this has actually impacted about 150,275 Fijians with a total investment by the Fijian government of $28.44 million since 2014. In this regard, the ministry has partnered with the Fiji Development Bank, and now your information is on their database, and you'll be able to source finance and related advice from FDB when you wish to expand your businesses. In addition to the MSBG, there are a number of other initiatives that target MSMEs, and one such program is the standardized road stalls. Through this program, the government provides vendors standardized road stalls to sell their produce from. And this project will not only improve the standards, but presentation and hygiene of produce, but also assist to gradually mainstream vendors from the informal to the formal sector. This initiative has already commenced in Vitilevu, and this initiative will soon be launched in the Northern Division. Ladies and gentlemen, I once again encourage the recipients to make the most of the investment and make the most of what you received today. And government has made it in your, what government is putting into your businesses, and to ensure that you work even greater heights. And please remember, and I cannot reiterate this, and I cannot say it enough, this is not a freebie, this is not a handout, as some may actually say. This is the government putting its trust in you, and this is a program that was commenced in 2014. So with those few words, ladies and gentlemen, I wish you well in your future businesses and ventures. Vinawale, thank you very much.
Just joking. So please, once he gets his feet on the dress, ladies and gentlemen, once it's done. Special receipt.
Athalia Meke,
Number 7,
Andy Akanisi,
number 8,
Andy Alice Indivivo,
number 9,
Andy Asenada Momoini Singa, Pateravanga.
110,
Anare Tubuki,
112,
Anare Timbika,
113,
Anare Lohombalavo,
115,
Anare Sovakalia,
269,
Paulini Tawake,
270,
Paulini Finau,
271,
Paulini Dirauku, Silosi Ramatu,
463,
Sailosi Mindralawa,
465,
Simoni Reiwaku,
466,
Simoni Galanirima.
470.